everybody, my name is Jenna from the Up North home, and today we're doing some spring yard cleanup, getting all the leaves raked up and picked out of the flower beds so that it looks clean and nice out here, because right now it looks like a disaster. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and let's go. So one thing we're working on today is getting all of the flower bed areas cleaned up. There's tons of leaves from last fall. This section's looking good already. The problem is there is some frozen spots still on the leaves. You know, this was full of snow just a few days ago. So there are spots where we got chunks of frozen leaves. So I still have a ways to go. Some of this can still be pulled out, and you can see this is a big frozen chunk too. I don't know if we'll be able to get that out. But we've got some green underneath, lots of wet leaves, and we spread out the snow here a little bit, so hopefully that melts a little quicker next time we get some sunlight. So that side's finished. We got a big frozen chunk there yet. But I got this side now. A couple frozen spots, but I got it down to the edge of the porch. So the porch is looking really cute. But now we have this huge section I still have to do, but as you can see, there's quite a frozen chunk there. Lots of leaves though. I did do in front of it and raked along the front edge here. Let's see what Halen's doing over here. It's looking good. Got a long ways to go, don't we? But Halen's done all that from the corner. So she's about halfway, and it looks like the boys are in the back doing something fire related. It is such a gorgeous day, and it is so nice to be outside. Even though the sun is not shining, it's so refreshing. It feels so good to just be outside. It's like stress relieving. So I'm gonna go in the backyard and see what the boys are up to, because I smell fire and I saw a fire going. So I'm gonna go see what they're doing. It sounds like they're raking up some leaves back there, so it should be exciting. There's some more over here. We've got flowers coming up. Spring has sprung in the north. Look at that. So we gotta uncover this flower bed here. I kind of let the leaves go because I thought it would be good insulation for the winter, for the plants. There's lots of green in there too. Lots of green coming up already. What you doing, Gunner? Making a fire? Is it going out? Really wet wood? I see the chairs came unfrozen. That's good. You got enough wood to burn? You got enough wood to burn? Yeah. If it's not frozen to the ground, there's plenty of wood back here to burn, huh? And lots of leaves, wet leaves though. We need to get the leaves to dry out. Looking good, bud. So we are back here day 2 now, and it is so cold. So I'm gonna get the rake and go ahead and start working out there, and hopefully we'll get this done today. I just wanted to show you a little bit of the leaves when they're mulched, and these are they're gonna compost way quicker if you mulch them. Just use, you could pile them up and use a weed eater, or you can just use a riding, a lawnmower of some kind, a riding lawnmower, pushing lawnmower, and just run them over a few times, and these will break down much quicker if you mulch them this way. So this is a much better way to do it than trying to throw them in a yard waste or whatever to have your garbage pick up, and paying that extra fee to have the garbage pick them up is just kind of ridiculous. And it's really better for the environment to just let them break down in your yard and feed your yard or your garden. Throw them to your chickens. If you have chickens, they will take care of this and find all of the good stuff in there. So really recommend mulching them like this. So hope that helps with if you have a leaf problem like we do. Everybody, that's it for today. We successfully pretty much completed the front yard, but we have a lot of work to do in the back and on the side, and we need to get some garden areas going soon. We just moved in last summer, so we have no garden area yet, and we have a lot of trees, so it's been taking a lot of planning to figure out where we're going to do a garden, and we're thinking raised beds, and we have a spot, but we need to cut down some trees. So perhaps you will see a video later this spring of some trees coming down, and we have a ton of work to do in the back. But it was a great start. The front yard is what people see when they drive by, so I wanted that to get in check and really look good. There's one little bed area still that I need to get leaves out of, but it's just impossible to do today with the wind. But it is what it is. It's early spring in the north, so that's to be expected. I will see you guys in the next video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.